Hoy mga Pilipino. Okay. So today we are gonna be playing Granny again. I've been getting onto something. And I've been wanting to do a Tagalog video for a little while now. Since you guys didn't even get my videos to like three likes, I'm gonna just do a Tagalog video. I don't even know. So, that's enough English. Tayo ay magta-Tagalog. But, ay, Tagalog. Yeah, that, okay, tama na yan sa intro. Punta na tayo sa Granny. Okay, mas marami akong alam na English, so don't mind me. Okay, let's go. Okay, andito na tayo. So, ito na naman. Marami na akong alam sa game na to. I mean, hindi marami, pero some point. I've been getting into some point in life here. Okay. Nag-English na naman ako. Anyways, let's just start, cause, I just realized there's so many, what the freak? Naalala ko, I understood, I realized okay. Ba yan? English ako ng English. Okay. So, madaming lore itong game na to. Napansin ko, ang daming lore. Like, ang dami mong kailangan gawin. Like, bro, sobrang dami kaya. Okay, that's better. That's better lighting. Anyways. I'm not cute anymore. Oh my god, andyan agad si Granny. Pinagtatawa nito. Hindi ko makita eh. Ay. Please talaga ng tap to. So, ano ba yan? English ako ng English. Okay. So, andyan yung car battery. Car batteries. Okay. Tapos, I don't know what I'm saying. Pero, nag-English na naman ako, so, hindi na ako sanay sa Tagalog. Hala. Pilipino ako. Pilipino pa rin ako. Oo. Pilipino pa rin ako. Car battery. Ay, sheesh. Granny, chill. Granny, chill. You have to chill. Okay, nag-English na. Okay, tapos, ilalagay natin to sa sasakyan. Frick you! Hindi mo nga ako nakikita eh. I see you. Hindi mo nga. I see you, Ashley, look at me. Granny, look at me. Ayoko sa'yo. Yeah, I don't like you back. You're bald. You have a buzz cut. Oh my god, nag-English pala ako. Okay, punta na nga tayo. Hindi ako na maghintay. Oh my god, naglalag ako, guys. Naglalag ako, guys. Okay. Punta tayo. Dahil ayoko nang maghintay pa. Dahil wala naman tayong pupunta sa buhay na to. Joke lang yan, guys. Joke lang. Oh. Talaga? Hi, Granny. I see you. Sandali. Haha. Walang utak. O, tingnan mo. Wala talaga takot si Granny. Uy, may gasoline dyan. Ah, no you don't. No you don't. Mama! Mama, oh si Granny! Si Granny! Tinatakot ako. Oh no, she's gonna trap me here. No, I know what you're gonna do. You're gonna place a trap on my head. And you're gonna trap me. I can't even escape and I have to reset the game. So you know why? I'm gonna... Sorry, a mosquito is pissing me off in real life. It's staring at me like I did something to it. And No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. Oh my God, nag-English na naman pala ako. Okay. Okay. Ay, prick you, Granny, That's playing dirty. Anyways, so, date na naman. Iniwan ka na naman. Sorry, guys. Okay, anyways. Also, may drama ako. Inad ako sa grade. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko sasabihin yung grade ko, ha? Ay. Hi, Granny. Kapitbahay pala tayo. Ay, walang utak yun. Wala din ako utak. Okay lang yan. Parehas tayo walang utak. Pero ako may... hindi ko alam. Pero ako may paa. Ikaw wala. Hindi ko alam kung ano pinagsasabi ko. Pero, andito pa rin yung... andito pa rin yung langaw ba yan? Langaw, okay. Andito pa... Okay, lumipad na. It was very... Tinitignan niya ako ng masama. And I had nothing to do with it. Go! Okay. Half English, half Tagalog ako. Ay, Granny naman. Uy. Granny. Grabe ka, Granny. Sorry, grenade pala yun. Ganito yung pangalan niya yata. Grenade. L. Leviosa. Kasi may nanay siya. Kailangan ko ng virtual. Also, the L stands for... Ay, correct you. Okay. The L stands for... Lara Raj. Joke lang. Joke lang. Ewan ko. Baka nasa heaven, Ikaw nasa baba. Talaga. Joke lang. Okay, anyways. I always have to turn my volume up to hear my freaking voice in every freaking vid. Because I don't have a freaking mic. Okay? Screen recording lang to, Oo. Okay, nag-English na naman pala ako. Anyways, punta na tayo. Ay, never mind. Nagka-camping si Granny. Someone called the MM2 Pros. Like, someone call Nicholas so they can ban Granny. Grenade L. Leviosa. Ay, Granny naman. Okay, laruin ko yung Baby in Yellow next kasi wala na akong malaro. Maaga pa naman Siguro mag-record ako ulit ng video after this. Tapos i-edit ko bukas. Kasi mag-scroll na ako sa YouTube at TikTok. At, hindi ko alam. Kasi madami akong YouTubers na sinusuporta, okay? 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 Sorry naman. Okay, anyways. Grenade. Ayoko sa'yo. Okay. Oh my God! Mama, I'm lagging. Mama, please, I'm lagging. Mama, please. I was lagging so freaking bad. I didn't know where I was going. Okay, so Granny definitely heard that. Granny, bakit mo kasi ako kinidnap? Cute ba ako? Sorry guys, sorry. Okay, anyways. Punta muna tayo dito kasi dun pa si Granny. Mystical, magical. Anyways. Punta na tayo dito kasi baribak gasolina. Ay, dito pala yung picture. Okay. Walang may paka dyan. Or, hindi ko alam. Pero wala akong alam dyan. So, no you don't. Shut up. No you don't. Okay, so liar talaga si Granny, no? Liar, hair on fire. Wala na hair. Wala na nga buhok. Masusunog pa ulo niya. Paano yun? Ay, sheesh. Mystical, magical. Okay. Saan ba ito nilalagay, guys? Sorry, wala akong sasakyan eh. At hindi ko naman alam kung... Hindi ko lang alam. Wala akong alam. Mommy. Why did I say that? Mommy, I am gonna die. Sorry guys, marami na akong... Hindi ko alam kung ano siya pinagsasabi ko. Saan ko ba ito ilalagay? Ano to? Ano yan? Ano yun? Ano yun? Ay, ano yun? Oh, okay. Ano na sinamang circus? Ano na? Saan ko ba ito ilalagay? 12 minutes na nga eh. Ano gagawin ko? Okay. Anyways. Saan ko ba ito ilalagay at bakit sira tong... Walang laman. Uy. Kakakunin ko ano yan. Saan ko ba ito ilalagay kasi? Granny. What's this? Gusto ko lang na-shoot si Granny. Diyan na yan. Tingnan ko kung nandyan si Granny o hindi kasi wala na ako lang. Ayan to. Sheesh. Mama. Uy, sino yun? Si Granny pala. Dito pa siya? Ay. Granny, hinulog mo yun, no? Okay. Okay, diwag. Diwag. Huwag na. Te, pumunta ka dyan. Ikaw nag-knock-over niyan. Alam mo, may kuto si Granny. Oh my God, ang lalaki. Ew, that's disgusting. Disgusting! Anyways. Saan ba ako? Ang dami mga parts ng bahay ni Granny. Uy. Ah! Mama is texting me. My mother is texting me. And I am not gonna. Okay. Nag-English pa pala ako. Okay. Wait lang guys. Wait lang. Wait, meron pala ako wifi. Should have turned off my wifi because I'm gonna get ads. Nor. Okay, wag na. Wag na magtago. I-replyan ko siya mamaya. Uy, sino to? Nanay ni Granny. Uy. Ito. An empty ball. Ano gagawin ko dun? Anuhin ko yan. Uy, cellphone ay. Cellphone ba yan? Ay, break you. Hindi ako naman alam na itong crow na yan. Anyways. Mga ginagawa ko sa buhay ko. Ba't ako makanta? Dami ko kasi naririnig na kanta dyan sa labas. You know, like, Bobotsine Marley. Joke lang. Like, yung sa mga latest videos ko na, sa mga old videos ko na, naririnig nyo naman siguro napaka-ingay ng mga neighbors natin. So, ay, Granny. Sakit naman nun. Natusok ang iyong puso. Wala ka nang minahal. Serial killer pala ikaw. At pinatay mo ang iyong asawa at sinil yung organs niya. Tapos pinakain mo sa pinakain mo sa mga bata. At nagustuhan naman nila. Tapos, nakakuha ng $1 million. Bumili ka ng bagong mong asawa. Hindi ko alam kung ano pinagsasabi ko, guys. Sorry. Oh my God. Ginawa ni Granny. Ay, Granny naman. To the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. That sounds disgusting. Ew. Okay. Disgusting. Okay, guys. Ano lang yan. Ay, Granny. Motherfucker. I can't even escape. Okay, nag-English na naman ako, guys. Sorry, sanay na ako sa English eh. Sorry naman. Sorry. Okay.
You want to play hide and seek?
No, I don't want to play hide and seek. Gusto ko lang umalis na dito. Yun lang yung gusto ko, oo. Bakit kasi may padlock ka na ganun? Grabe naman si Granny. Wala pang ladder doon. Tingnan. The frick. That's from the backyard, by the way. Ano nga naman ba? Sige, labas ako. Wala ka pa. Okay. Wala nga naman. Ay, may trap doon. Uy. Uy naman. Part of a shotgun. Okay, saan na yung ibang parts kasi kailangan ko to. Bato ko sa mukha ni Granny. Oh my god, oh my god. She be checking everything, bro. Oh my god. You know what, guys? I'm gonna play more offline games and stuffs. Yeah, more like games out of Roblox, cause I can and I will. So watch my next video, which is actually gonna be me murdering some people, and let's hope that I won't get banned for another freaking week, okay? Because last time I played like high school 2018 and I couldn't post it. It was literally so much fun. I guess that we're just gonna continue our Tagalog thing. Cause tayo ay Tagalog. Tayo ay Pilipino. Okay, I just revealed what's my nationality, so hope you guys are happy about that. I mean, it already is. It already is pretty obvious because I keep saying Tagalog things in my videos. Liviosa. Joke lang, guys. Anyways. Where are you? Kitang-kita mo ko kanina. Kainis din to. Isa pa to si Granny. Bulag na bulag. Mas bulag pa dun sa Parker family na yun. Na pinanood ko ng mga 7 months ago yata. 4 months ago. Hindi ko na alam. Pero, napaka-blind ng buong pamilya nila except for the brother. Yung brother na talagang bulag. Kasi, nakakainis talaga yung, bakit nakakainis yung mga K-drama at bakit kayo obsessed with that? Kasi, I don't want to watch it anymore. It just makes me annoyed and it makes me want to kill my phone. But I can't because this is where I do all my work and stuffs. Yeah. Okay. Mama. Mommy. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Alright, let's go. But I feel Granny. Oh! Bakit may trap doon? Uy! Yeah. Just ended go. Okay. Anyways. Mystical, magical. We don't want Granny to jump scare us, so I don't know what I'm doing. I didn't get I died 2 times, but we didn't get hindi pa tayo napatay like sobrang bilis. Pero wala pa tayong nagawa sa buhay, okay? So, halika na. Granny. Ay, patay na ako. Jumpscare na tayo, guys. You're welcome na lang, guys. Yeah. Joke lang. Iko-continue pa natin to kasi... Oh, frick you! No! No, what the frick, guys? That is so disgusting. Bro, that's so disgusting. What the freak? That's gonna copyright my video. Okay, let's just... we're not cutting that part out. I'm gonna blur it so you guys can... So you guys can be... so you guys can't throw up. I mean, there's definitely a 90% chance that you will throw up, even if it's blurred out, because freaking disgusting. Okay. Punta na tayo dito sa baba. O, tingnan nyo, guys. Special dito. Ito yung special. Oy! Mama, I'm gonna lie to you. Hi. Bro, be so dumb. So dumb. Special key daw. Grabing susi naman to. Grabing susi. Talaga no.
Where are you?
Aba, malay ko. Baka nagtatago na. Baka ayaw mapatay ng kalbong granny na nga wala pang humanity talaga. Anong creature ka ba talaga, no? Huh? Anong creature ka ba talaga? Monster ka ba? Anong klaseng monster? Yung kumakain ng tao o yung namamatay lang? Kailangan talaga natin ng shotgun eh. Shotgun ko yung ulo niya. Okay. Ay, mama. Mystical. Pumunta siya sa... Okay, guys. Yung kamay niya. Oh my God, guys. Ay, wala. Sheesh. Gangnam. Ooh, I don't know what I'm saying. Ano yun? Notification. Summer update happening now. Okay. Walang may pake dyan. Nabigyanay muna tayo. So, anong ICU daw? ICU daw pala. Hindi. Type sheet, bro. Granny, please stop. Bro. Nandito pa rin yung padlock na to. Padlock ba to? Hindi. Special key. Ayan ka na. Pero hopefully let's risk it because I don't know. Padlock key. Special key. Ano ba? Kainis to eh. Parang ano to, this reminds me yung last na nilaro natin. Yung escape ganun. Oh! So, kinopya lang pala yun. Copy-paste lang pala yun eh. Kasi ito, totoong granito. Ano gawin natin? Paano tayo? Sige, kung mamatay ako, i-end ko na yung video, guys. Okay. Okay, paano to? Special. Okay na. Paano ba tutuloy mo? Ain't nothing but a rain. Walang may pake sa iyo. Walang may pake sa iyo. Okay. Hindi ko na alam kung ano gagawin ko kasi
Hide and seek.
ano daw sinabi? Grabing roses yun, oh. Okay. Okay. Hindi ba tayo namamatay? So, better luck next time. Ain't nothing but a beat. Help. Granny was right behind me. Ain't nothing but a beat. Okay guys, ang ganda ni...
Want to play hide and seek?
Hindi. Gusto ko lang talaga umalis dito. Gusto ko lumayas. Pwede ba palabasin mo na ako? Kasi, I might just destroy your house at this point. Sorry guys for background noise. Okay, saglit lang. Message na naman. Wait lang! Yung dress to impress ko. Na-out na yata yung update or yung code. Okay. Hindi pa tayo namatay eh, so. Ano pala itong mga picture na to? Papangit. Katulad ng Granny. Anyways. Oh, ito. Type cheese. Ayoko na. Okay. Granny, I'm gonna summon your mother. She's gonna beat you up. Okay. God. Okay. Punta na saan tayo, pero dyan pa si Granny. Okay. Oh my God, magalaan. It wasn't me. Okay, let's go. Nor. Wag na muna. I guess. Okay, ang tagal na natin naghihintay. Yan na naman siya. She really wants me dead, huh? She really wants me dead. Okay. Bro. Pwede lumayas ka na. Ako na lang lalayas. Oh, talaga. Pwede ba palayasin mo na ako sa bahay na to? Ayoko dito. So they either lock us in homes, cages, or stuff, or they lock us out. So, okay guys. I don't know when my brain, but okay, nasa isang dito. Hi, it's Granny's mother. Uy! Nanay ni Granny. Uy, gising. Gising. Kailangan, I need you to beat your granny. I need you to beat your daughter up. I need you to beat your kid up. Cause, oh my god, that's actually, ano nangyayari sa'yo? How are you supposed to beat up your daughter if nalanta na siya? Oh my god, bali. Guys, bali na siya. Sige guys. Okay. Bro. Move your dumb body. This is what happens to you when you don't exercise. Oh my god, I don't exercise. Anyway, I don't know what I'm saying, but let's go. Ano ba yan? Napakabigat mo. Naglo-lose weight ka ba? Kaya yata yun. Uy, may thunder. Uy, uulan na naman yata. It's my lucky day. Guys, nung Thursday, I ditched school. I ditched being cleaners. Okay, this looks weird now. Granny, you're making me look, nanay ni Granny, you're making me look weird. Oh my god, wala talaga kayong paano. Ano ba gagawin ko dito sa babaeng to? Sige, guys, tawagin na lang. Granny, yung nanay mo, oh. Pinalanta mo talaga, ay. Okay. Lumipad na din si Granny. Okay. That's all for today, guys. Tonight. Okay, bye. What the freak is that? Okay, bye.